Firstly, let's talk about the location. So, the direction in which I'm pointing is Garyahat, and this is the flyover that you get after crossing Dhakuria. So, if you're coming from Goria or say from Jadavpur, you have to cross the flyover. This is the building, and on the fourth floor is Vayu. So, something like this. So we've reached the third floor, fourth floor. This is where Vayu is supposed to be. I've not been to this cafe before. Let's see how it is. There. The entrance was really well decorated, but it was not well maintained. As you can see on the walls, dono side pe it's a little dirty. But I went on the inside, and it was a completely different world out there. But yeah, they can at least try to maintain the entrance a bit. So this is the overall vibe. Pretty chill. I like the little details. For example, these patterns on the table, I really like it. This roof, I really like it. There's also interactive spaces like darts and foosball. Ready? I really like the overall vibe of the restaurant. There was music playing. It was not too loud, but noticeable. And there's also live music on every Saturday and Sunday. The place where I'm playing darts is where the live music is done. I'll tell you more about the service later, but let's talk about food first. So the taste of the food was really good, but before that, I want to tell you that the menu was so diverse. There was also continental food, but at the same time, Indian specialties like kebabs and all was also available, which is a nice thing if you're going with a family where not everybody is comfortable with having continental food. I got a chicken stroganoff, and this cost me 449 without the tax. The taste was really good. Herb rice was cooked well. Chicken ka jo brown sauce tha, that was also really nice. The only thing is that the quantity is less, just like in every other cafe. Stroganoff quantity is not enough for two people, but since we had already hopped a cafe before this, we were not here for filling our tummies. It was just for the taste. For beverage, I tried this spicy pineapple ginger thing. It cost me 249 without tax. My mother got a breezer for herself. There was also a lot of options for breezers. I'm 20, but I've never consumed alcohol till now. My mom told me to just take a sniff of it, and I did not like the smell at all. To end it off on a sweet note, we got ice creams. This cost us 149 for two scoops. I wanted to have the chocolate one, but it was not available, so I took vanilla. So I'm not sure if chocolate will be available when you go. If you want to enjoy the rooftop of the restaurant, then I'd suggest you go during the day, because of the reflection from the windows, you can barely see anything outside during the night. If you are not comfortable with people consuming alcohol around you, then this restaurant is not for you, because pretty much on every table everybody was consuming alcohol. Overall, I'd rate the ambience a 9 on 10, a food a 8 on 10, service a 10 on 10. I'm adding some pictures of the menu. You can take a screenshot for reference. This is an updated menu as of 2024. Like I mentioned before, as you can see, there is such a big menu that you can order from. I've tried to keep this review short and to the point without wasting your time. So if you did like this review, please like, share, and subscribe. I wanted to pay by cash, so I missed this offer, but you shouldn't. If you have Swiggy One, I don't know about Zomato, but I know about Swiggy. So if you have Swiggy One, I've noticed that there's almost always some of the other offer going on in this restaurant. My total bill was 1303, and after discount, it would be 781. So please don't miss this offer. There are two types of offer that you can apply. Either you can apply the 40% off on weekdays, or if you have not pre-booked by giving 25 rupees each, even if you have not pre-booked any, you can pay from Swiggy and you'll get a 20% off on bill instantly.